Ka KSU Shillong Circle mingi minta kasngi kalai phau tarik risau arja arpusau kala pinlong ya ke jingalang ban pin sngo thu pat ba halor lai tli ki mat ki bakin thop ya ke jingta na ke shongkha Khynnah ke jingpap school shitengpor bat halor ke jing sniu ki ba mi ni ki jingdi buat bat ya ni ke jingalang la pinlong ha community hall jong ke snong nong mensong ha ka ba la ya don lang ki mi ki pa ki nong hi kai ki Khynnah school bat ki de khot ke senglong kami ha kani kasngi usamla James Mauphyang ubadei u legal officer ka KSU CEC ula ai jingkren bat Pynshai halor kamat kabayadei bat ka jingta na ka jinge shongkha Khynnah usamla Shining Star kharbikhu ubadei u environment secretary ka KSU CEC ula ai jingshai halor ka jingpap school shitengpor ki Khynnah bat udip gurung ubalong u coordinator on child friendly ula Pynshai ha kabayadei bat ka jing sniu ka bami na ki jing di buai
You are easily infected and influenced. Alright? You will see some people having 10,000 followers. Right? 10,000 followers. You will see, oh, so many followers. What this person is doing? You see that person is going somewhere, doing party, you know, or roaming, wearing nice clothes and roaming around and, you know, doing wrong things. Automatically you also want to follow, no? Yes, so that is why you should stay away from wrong things. I'm not saying social media is bad, okay? If you know how to use Instagram, Facebook or YouTube properly, okay, if you know how to use it, supposedly when I was young, when I was your age, we don't have Facebook and all that, no? But we have Google. So if I have some problem in my maths, or I don't know how to solve some problem, so I would go to Google and I would search that question and I get the answer. Okay. Sometimes I do some things also like searching something. Okay, who is Sachin Tendulkar? Okay, all these things. But you can use it either in good way or bad way. It is in your hand. Okay. And also, please do not try to copy. Okay. Do not try to copy others. Okay. If I think that I am Salman Khan, do you think I can become Salman Khan? No, right? If you think that you are Justin Bieber voice, you can become Justin Bieber? No, right? And for girls, I do not know who, Miley Cyrus. You cannot become, right? That is why do not copy. Everything which is there in social media, it is not true. Okay? It is not true. Alright? What is the skin color of my skin? Brown, right? If you go to my Instagram, I am fair like Frank. Okay, means what I want to say is everything is not real in Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media. So please do not get influenced. If you see young people, you know, driving good cars, smoking, or doing substance, okay, that doesn't mean their life is cool. All right. So you should not get influenced by social media. Okay, that is another thing.
Kelas 10. Buat ke penting untuk kamu tali, tapi dah degree, tapi dah postgraduate ru, tek kalau ke baik, mendiok ikam kijam. Hapan apply si apply, kata ru, lami kau ke post, tak kau ke post, tek umlah, buat umyo kita kikam di bapakkan. Lagi yo ru, ilah mendiok kita kikam di batang, di barit yang kata ke jingyo, lalai rit yang ketulok, buat kene kita berkat yang beriu. Bakala berkata, bat ladapi kam tamle, labi kum songkha Khynnah, apre kata kasih kasai, lanai kelas 11, nang day kapor, hakapa pihak panaki naksa, kadai kapor, kapa pinah ai hakapor ilade, kumno banakla, banla, banle kinu gikam, ibabun, lagadai hakami kamsem, lagadai hakam melade, kumna berpetibit cucu, lagadai kami lekai, nanti kamu bersut jebik, pihak, ban nak petibit cucu, handai nanda kapor, kapoi, hakapa pihak, babiyo songkha, dan Khynnah, kumna pihak berpetibit yelade, pihak berpetibit dengan jebik, nama pihak pinongla, nama pihak berkat, ya kita king kesem kebat semai ke jupi, ban lada petibit Hagi je nak kai rofer. Pinomio syuk kapor. Man pulut yang kapor ke jumpi. Man tebit. Hagi kita je nak kai ba pipi don sam. Kadai kita yang kapor met ke jumpi. Ba kapelong ru yang ubreu na kabreu. Ba kihat man perkat lekot yang kijumut je perkat ke jumpi. Tang pun lah berpenbiak yang sem jumpi. Kihat man pelong lekot yang kecim ke jumpi. Hagaba Ihaman ino yang kita kitran juga jikim. Kita ki ambition di babi London, nadu kipor di babi na pule. Ihaman sulong no tang hajal air, batang kita kijipok snew, bakim siam la orlo. Bat kala konora ya kita api bat kita aru isi kesem kojipi. Kita kadau hagabokut senjor hi kesem. Ban senjor hi kata kalonging ke jompi. Kata rai hi laboring na.